Have you ever wondered why a man will date multiple women, enjoy all of them, but choose only one? The one he cancels plans for, the one he introduces to his friends, the one he actually puts effort into impressing? It's not random, it's not luck, it's psychology. And once you understand what's going on inside a man's brain, you'll see why some women become the chosen one, while others become, let's just say, the emotional practice round. Yeah, harsh, but true. So let's get into what actually makes men choose her over everyone else. No guessing, no games, just straight up human wiring with a splash of humor. 1. She's emotionally predictable but not boring. Men don't need perfection, but they crave stability. Emotional predictability doesn't mean you're emotionless. It means your moods don't swing like a pendulum between I love you and don't talk to me. Here's the thing. A man's nervous system wasn't built to decode emotional Morse code. He doesn't understand why you said I'm fine when you clearly weren't fine. To him, that's not mysterious. That's terrifying. He'll still text other girls not because he's evil, but because his brain wants emotional clarity. Men chase what feels simple and stay where they feel safe. So when you can express your feelings in a way that's clear, but not dramatic, like, hey, I get a little distant when I feel ignored. I'm not mad, I just need a moment. Boom, you just unlocked a level of emotional intelligence most people never reach. You've now become the woman who communicates like an adult, but still feels like a dream. That's rare, that's gold. That's what men keep. 2, she makes his brain feel safe, not bored. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, ugh, another video about emotional safety, let me explain what this actually means in male psychology. A man's brain is like a guard dog that's been trained by bad experiences. He's alert, cautious, always scanning for emotional danger, like being judged, mocked, or made to feel not enough. So when a woman comes along who makes him feel safe to be himself without losing respect for him, his brain literally releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, the same chemical that floods his system after intimacy. And here's the twist. Men don't bond with women who make them feel good all the time. They bond with women who make them feel safe enough to be imperfect. You see, when he tells a story that doesn't make sense, and instead of judging, you smile and say, wait, did that actually happen, or are you just trying to sound mysterious again? He laughs. His brain relaxes. He thinks, I can be me around her, and that's it. Game over for the rest. Because to a man, comfort without boredom is addictive. It's that rare combination of peace and play that makes him want to stay. 3, she has an energy that feels like a reward. Men are reward-driven creatures. It's not their fault. It's dopamine. Every time he does something for you, his brain calculates, did that feel good, or was it a waste of energy? If being around you feels heavy, demanding, or negative, he'll subconsciously avoid you the way we avoid an app that drains our phone battery. But if being around you feels like an emotional recharge, he'll keep coming back for more. Here's where most women get it wrong. They think being high value means being serious, mysterious, and hard to get. No, high value women don't withhold energy, they manage it. They give positivity to the right man. Not everyone. They don't play hard to get. They just don't have time for games. And that's the difference. The right energy doesn't scream, look at me. It whispers, you'll never find this vibe again. And that whisper, it's louder than any shout. 4, she creates a rare energy loop. Every man has what psychologists call a reward feedback loop. Translation, his brain becomes addicted to the people and experiences that give him consistent doses of dopamine, the pleasure chemical. Now, when it comes to women, he's not just looking for looks or charm. He's subconsciously scanning for emotional energy. Here's how it works. Some women drain him, some women entertain him, but only a few energize him. That's the woman who makes him feel alive. When he's around her, conversations don't feel forced. He laughs without realizing it. He finds himself checking his phone, hoping she texted, not because he's bored, but because her presence is like caffeine for his soul. No, that doesn't mean you need to act bubbly or fake enthusiasm. You just need to be authentic with emotion. When you share stories, let him see your expression. When you laugh, don't suppress it. When you're passionate about something, talk about it with conviction. That emotional aliveness tells his subconscious she's not an energy drain, she's an emotional generator. But once he connects you to that positive energy loop, he doesn't want to unplug, because in a world full of people who complain, criticize, and compete, being around someone who radiates warmth is like walking into sunlight. He'll crave it, he'll guard it, and yes, he'll choose it. 5. She mirrors his core, not his actions. Now, this one is subtle but dangerously powerful. Men don't fall for women who copy them, they fall for women who reflect them. What does that mean? Let's say he's ambitious. You don't need to match his ambition by working 18 hours a day too. Instead, you reflect the value behind his ambition, like drive, purpose, or growth. You might say, I love how you light up when you talk about your goals. It's contagious. Boom, you've just mirrored his essence, not his ego. That reflection hits deep because it tells his subconscious, she sees me, not just what I do, but who I am. And that right there, that's emotional intimacy. It's what makes a man go from, she's nice, to, I don't want to lose her. Because you can find compliments anywhere, but reflection, that's rare. 6, she triggers his investment bias. All right, here's some fun psychology. Ever heard of the IKEA effect? It's the idea that we value something more if we put effort into building it, like that wobbly shelf you refuse to throw away because you built it. Guess what? The same principle applies to relationships. When a man invests effort, time, energy, thought into you, his brain tricks him into believing you're more valuable. That's the investment bias. But here's the kicker. He needs space to invest. If you're always available, over communicative, or too quick to solve every emotional puzzle, you rob him of the chance to work for your closeness. And psychologically, we only attach deeply to what we work for. So instead of texting back instantly every time, let him wonder. Instead of over-explaining how you feel, let him ask. Instead of filling silence with reassurance, let him earn it. You're not playing games, you're allowing biology to do its job. He's wired to chase clarity through effort. Give him a challenge that feels worth it, and his brain will reward him with emotional addiction to you. 7, she leaves an emotional signature. Here's something most people don't realize. Men forget faces, voices, and even moments, but they never forget how you made them feel. That's your emotional signature. It's the invisible mark you leave on his nervous system. And this signature has 3 main ingredients. 1, warmth, he feels accepted. 2, mystery, he feels intrigued. 3, impact, he feels changed. Let's break that down. Warmth builds safety, mystery fuels desire, impact builds respect. When you combine all 3, he's hooked. For example, if you say something that challenges his perspective without hostility, like, I think you underestimate how magnetic you actually are, his brain does 2 things at once. Feels seen, warmth. Feels curious, wait, what does she see in me that I don't? That combo, validation plus intrigue, is psychological magic. It's not manipulation. It's connection done with intelligence. 8, she's rare in a way that can't be replicated. Here's the ultimate secret. Men don't choose the woman who's perfect. They choose the woman who's irreplaceable. And what makes you irreplaceable isn't your looks, your body, or even your kindness. It's your consistency in character. When a man sees that your energy, your reactions, and your values stay grounded, even when things get hard, he realizes something most women never let him feel: emotional safety inside adventure. He can grow with you without losing his identity. He can argue with you without fearing rejection. He can love you without feeling trapped. And that combination, freedom plus connection, is the rarest thing in the male psychological universe. That's why when a man finds it, he stops searching. Thanks for watching.